Now we're going to talk about the 1982, the most rare 1982 scent there is. But I'm going to tell you two of them that you can still find. You actually have a chance to find two of them. And I'm going to show you that later on in this video. So stay tuned. Pay very close attention to this set. This is 1982 Lincoln Memorial Scent Set. These are all the issues that were released by the U.S. Mint in 1982. In 1982, they started experimenting with copper-plated zinc planchets that weighed 2.5 grams, and they still used copper planchets on 3.1 grams. Some people call them bronze planchets. Regardless of that, you have both 3.1 grams, 2.5 grams, small dates, and large dates. Here you have a 1982 large date. It's on a copper planchet that weighs 3.1 grams. Might be worth $1 in this condition. It has no mint mark because it was minted at Philadelphia Mint. That's why there's a P down here. The Philadelphia Mint did not put mint marks on Lincoln scents except in 2017. So any Philadelphia Mint 1982 will not have a mint mark. 3.1 grams. This one here is a small date. No mint mark means Philadelphia Mint. So you had the Philadelphia Mint issue a small date and a large date that weighed 3.1 grams in 1982. Then the Denver Mint, and this one's important. The Denver Mint issued a large date, 1982, on a 3.1 gram planchet. But what the Denver Mint wasn't supposed to do was release the small date version like the Philadelphia Mint did. Remember, the Philadelphia Mint released a large and a small date in 1982 on a copper planchet that weighs 3.1 grams, and the Denver Mint only released the large date. However, so far, two people have found a 1982D on a small date with a Denver Mint mark that weighs 3.1 grams. They weren't supposed to exist. At the Denver Mint, a couple of them got stuck in the bins and got struck with the small date die. The small date die was supposed to strike the copper-plated zinc planchets, as we see down here. Now, the other thing, moving forward to the more common ones, all of these are common that you see in this set. All of them can be sold for $1 or so. So we have the 82 small date Philadelphia Mint. That is, they call zinc. It weighs 2.5 grams. It's copper plated. Same with the 82 large date, 2.5 gram zinc planchet, copper plated. So that's the Philadelphia issues. They released a large and a small date on the 2.5 gram planchets. Then the Denver Mint, on a 2.5 gram planchet, released a D small date and a D large date. And both of these weigh 2.5 grams, and they are normal. There were millions of these minted. So you have the Denver and the Philadelphia Mint, both minted coins on a 2.5 planchet and small date and large date, as well as 3.1 gram planchets, small date and large date, except for the Denver Mint. The Denver Mint was not supposed to mint a 3.1 gram planchet with a small date design that weighs 3.1 grams. Two people have found them. They are rare. A lot of people get this mixed up. So I want to show you a small date. This is a small date. If this 2 and 8 are damaged, it's not going to be designated a small date. You might as well throw it back in and spend it. But it looks just like this if it's a small date. The opening of the 8 is smaller, and the 2 almost has an S shape to it. And this is a large date. Do you see how close the openings in the 8 are almost the same size? And there is no S curve, or almost S curve in the 2. It's a straight shaft right here in between this top curve and then where it starts to curve down at the bottom at the base. Small date, large date. Small date, large date. So the only one that you're looking for that is rare is the 1982D. It's the small date, and it must have this D mint mark on it, and it must weigh 3.1 grams. It is the missing coin in this set that goes for thousands of dollars. So no matter what information that you hear out there, no matter what anybody tells you, all of these are common. 2.5 grams, 3.1 grams, small dates and large dates, they're all normal. But the Denver Mint was not supposed to mint a small date on a copper planchet, but two somehow accidentally were struck. There could be more out there, but so far only two have been found. Knowing which one to look for is important here. A lot of people are getting it confused, but it has to be the 82D small date on a 3.1 gram planchet. So in reality, you're probably not going to find a 1982D small date on a 3.1 planchet. I mean, two of those have been found, none have been found since, and everybody thinks they have one or they're looking for it. What you have a better chance of finding is the 1982 bronze large date double die obverse. This one has a little bit of value to it, even if it's circulated. It's not extremely rare, but this you have a better chance of finding than looking for the small date D on a 3.1 planchet. Also, you have a small date. It's a double die reverse, 1982. This one here is a little more valuable. People aren't looking for these. They're not looking at the reverse. They're looking for this transitional planchet and probably passing up a rare double die looking after 82s. So look for the small date 82 without a mint mark. It's a Philadelphia double die reverse, and look at the large date double die obverse. You come over here to PCGS and you check out the images and see what they look like and identify them. That's what you should be looking for. My name is Daniel. Thanks for watching my latest video, and have a great day.